So hello guys, I am going to show how to use your phone as a controller on Forza Horizon 4. You need an application called monect PC Remote Receiver. In order to download this, just head over to the Chrome and type PC Remote Receiver and hit enter. Just click on the first link, click download. Now download using any link, and then we have to download it on the phone. Open Play Store, type PC Remote, download the application and open it. Now click the connect button. Your laptop should show here. As you can see, it says connect success. Now click on the layout and you can see I made a custom layout which is using my gyroscope and accelerometer. Now just moving the phone forward and backward will accelerate and decelerate respectively. Moving it left and right will rotate the steering. So that's it for the video, and please like, share and subscribe.
Recalculating route.